Hi, second graders. Welcome to writing for today. Today, we're going to talk about how we can make our facts more specific in our expert writing, and we're going to use things like names, numbers, sizes, and our senses. So we're going to add information that our readers will love to read, and we're going to learn how to make our facts specific using these things here. So we're going to look at some facts, and remember, facts are something you know to be true because you have seen, heard, or read about it. This is not our opinion. This is a fact. So here's a fact, and this is true. Rabbits eat rabbit food, but that doesn't sound very specific. I want to teach even more by thinking about names of things that a rabbit might eat. You can go ahead and pause me and tell somebody at home, what are some things, some names of things that rabbits eat that could make my fact more specific? So some things I thought of are rabbits eat carrots, lettuce, and veggie pellets. Now, when I first just said rabbits eat rabbit food, all I thought of were those veggie pellets. But then when I add in things like carrots and lettuce and veggie pellets, I see a full bowl of some really good vegetables that a rabbit could eat rather than just a boring bowl of veggie pellets, okay? So I made my fact more specific. I gave my reader a picture by giving more information. Another way that I could make my facts more specific is thinking about, are there numbers that go with this fact, okay? I might tell you that how many cups of food my rabbit needs every day. So every day, my rabbit needs one measuring cup full of veggie pellets, okay? I don't know if that's true. I don't have a rabbit, but that gives a number, okay? It tells you a size, one cup, okay? I can kind of picture what one cup looks like rather than just saying some or a little bit. You can see exactly one cup of food. That gives me a specific number, okay? We can also talk about the size of a rabbit, okay? We can make our facts specific by saying my rabbit weighs 10 pounds. Okay. Um, and we could also tell about what he is. He is a small American stable rabbit. Okay. So that size is giving me a more specific look into what the rabbit might look like. Now, another thing that we can think about is our senses. This might be kind of hard with rabbits, but it is something that you could do with your topic possibly. So think about your senses, okay? What does the topic look like? So I guess this part would be easy. Instead of just saying my rabbit has fur, I could say my rabbit has light brown fur, okay? So maybe think about, what does it sound like, okay? My rabbit does not make much sound. But also, what does it feel like? So I could talk about what my rabbit's fur feels like. My rabbit has light brown fur. He is very soft to touch, okay? Now, I've given you a whole lot more information about rabbits by using my senses, and you could do the same with your writing, okay? Obviously, I wouldn't use all of my senses when talking about a rabbit, right? But maybe you're telling me about your favorite kind of food. Then you would use your senses of taste or smell. You could tell how a rabbit smells. I don't think it would be very good. So this is your job today. Your job is to go back to your expert writing Okay. And I want you to find places where you can make your facts more specific. You're going to use names, numbers, and sizes, just like we did. And then you're also going to use appropriate senses, like we did also. Your taste, your sight, smell, feel. How does it feel? And if it's appropriate, taste. I said taste. That's right. So, what does it sound like? That would be our last one. So you're going to add, if you can alter your facts at all to make them more appropriate and more specific, that is what we're going to do today using these things, okay? Again, if for some silly reason it's saying you need access, just go ahead and send that access and I will approve it as soon as I see it. I'm not, again, real sure why it's doing that since you made up your own writing, but we will get through this together. All right, so ready, set, go. Good luck, and I will talk to you soon.